Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I show you what kind of video equipment I carry on a travel bike journey. So it should be not too heavy, should be light, and for sure should be not too expensive, but you will see in that video if I match it. So we start with the DJI Mini 2. It's a very good drone, have a brilliant focus, so the weight you see 250 gram plus 350. It's the controller and the body. It's a 4K camera with a microSD slot. The battery keeps for 30 minutes. The drone starts from a maximum altitude of 4,000 meters. The price, 460 euro. So I can say it's not my favorite drone because this drone don't have a tracking focus, which is not good as a cyclist. So I would recommend you a drone with a tracking focus, which is much easier during cycling. You can free the world, you can free my mind, just as long as my baby's safe from harm tonight. So the next device is the iPhone XS, full HD, 177 gram, 64 gigabyte, and for sure it's a used one, so I just paid 100 euro. The camera is amazing. It has a scene balance, which makes very smooth footage, as you see. Well, I can't do nothing about that. Next device, iPad 9, which is perfectly for cycling because it's very light and compactable, easy to carry. It's a 10.2 inch display, 480 gram, 256 gigabyte, and the cost was 560 euro. I would recommend you to mix it with the Luma Fusion editing software, which costs 30 euro. Which is the best video editing software for an iPad. The GoPro 11 4K camera with a HyperSmooth 5.0 microSD slot and with a weight of 154 gram. Original price was 460 euro. For sure you can get it cheaper now if you choose a used one. Yeah, the pictures are great, HyperSmooth, they're not lying. Super light, super compactable, super flexible. I carry it on my bar all the time. This is my favorite device. It's an old school Panasonic Camcorder with an amazing zoom. You can observe everything, and for sure it's very flexible, very light camera. I also carry it on my bar in a small hanging bag. Very easy to handle. Full automatic setup, so you can quickly taping. And I like the trash style which came up, you can see in the pictures. Very nice zoom. So you can see the total weight, 1.5 kilo, total value 1,700 euro. For that money you can get a DSLR, that's it. So if you compare it to my equipment, I have 4 different views, 4 different cameras, 4 different characters. Up to you what you need. I just want to show you the compare. Thank you for watching, see you soon, bye bye.